Welcome to Candela Quick Start Guide. In this video, I will demonstrate complete retail business cycle in Candela. After going through this video, you will be able to perform a basic retail cycle in Candela, including the following tasks. You will provide name and address to your retail outlet. The second step will be to create different departments, for example, grocery, medicines. Third step is to create products which you purchase and sell in your outlet. Next step will be to create suppliers from whom you purchase your products. Then you will receive goods from the suppliers or create GRN in the system. You will check inventory to verify the purchased products, and then you will make few sales. Finally, you will check few reports to verify all the above entries. During the demonstration of this retail cycle, we will work with the following data. First, we will name our shop as Best Collection Departmental Store. Then we will give the address of the shop and our first step will be complete. Next, we will create two departments in our system, grocery and bakery. Then we will create four products, two in the grocery and two in the bakery. Next, we will create two suppliers, one for grocery and one for bakery items. Now we are ready to perform the basic retail cycle in Candela. So just to recap, we will do these steps. We will first provide name and address to the retail outlet, then create two departments, create products which we purchase and sell, create suppliers, receive goods from the supplier, check the inventory, make few sales, and finally check few reports. So we start in Candela with the first step. In Candela, we go to configuration and system configuration. Here in name section, we will provide name of our shop, and in address, we will give address of our shop. After giving name and address, we will press update, and we have successfully completed the first step of our retail cycle. The next step is to make the departments. So we will press configuration, miscellaneous, and line items. In Candela, departments are called line items. So we have two departments. The first is grocery. We will give the name and give any two-digit code. We write here 01 and press save button. The system creates the first department and comes in new mode. We again create the next department, which is bakery, and we give the code 02 and again press save. So we have successfully created two departments and our step number 2 in Candela is complete. The third step is to create products. For this, we click configuration and this product menu. This brings up this product definition screen. As you can see, the first thing we need to do is to select a department or line item. We select bakery and provide a product code. We can start with any coding sequence. I start with 1000 and give a product name. First product is bread, and then we give average cost price, which is in our case 18, and we give retail price, which is 30, and press save. Now we give enter a new product. We press new button, and here we enter code of next product, we give 1001, and this is cake. We come to the cost price, which is 169, and we give retail price, which is 250, and press save. So we have successfully saved two products. All the products of a particular department or line item we can see by clicking all product list. As we can see, we have products here. Next, we select the other department, grocery, and here we enter a new code as 2000, and we create toothpaste. Average cost is 55 and our retail price is 75, and we save this. Our next product is with code this and tissue box. We say its average price is 35 and its retail price is 47, and we save this. To check all the products of grocery, all product list, toothpaste and tissue box. Previously we have entered in bakery, all product list, bread and cake. So by doing this, we have completed another step of retail cycle. So far we have done these steps. We have given name and address to our outlet. We have created two departments. We have created 4 products. Now we will move on with the next step. In Candela, creating supplier is very easy. We go to configuration, miscellaneous, and go down to this supplier menu. We give name to the supplier. Same code is copied automatically and we press save. Then we enter the next supplier. We press tab. Same code is copied and we press save. So we have successfully completed this step, and these two suppliers are created in the system. As next step, we will now receive goods from the supplier or create GRNs. Please note that we have configured all the data, and in next steps we will do the transactions. After configuration, it's better to first log out once, move out of the system, and then log in again. So once we have logged out and log in, we are ready to proceed with the next step. So the next step is making the GRN. We click purchase and press the GRN. On this screen, we select a supplier, Shiraz Baker. Invoice number is automatically given by the system, and we enter the product code. We can just type the code, or we can select from the list. We enter the quantity, 30 breads and 10 cakes, and system is giving the rate. We save. Now we make the second GRN for Sigma distributor. System gives automatically the next invoice number. We can enter the code and we enter other code. Next we enter the quantity, 50 toothpaste and 100 tissue boxes, and press save. So we have saved 2 GRN. When we go here, we can see the GRN, and this is other GRN. And we have now completed another step retail cycle. As you can see, we have done the fifth step. We have received goods from the supplier. Now we will check inventory report to verify the products which we have purchased. Then we will move on with the next steps. To check the inventory, we go to reports, D, the stock reports, and D07, shop inventory report. So reports, D, stock reports, and D07. This report shows the departments. We select all the departments and press generate report. The system shows all the products which we have defined and the quantities which we have received and their retail value. So we have done another step. Next step is to make few sales and then check few reports. In Candela, for sales, we click on shop activities and press the first menu item, sales and returns. As you can see, this screen shows the name of the store which we entered in the first step. And here we enter the products and make few invoices. For this, we can press F1 and we again press F1 and we enter another product. Similarly, we can click this list and enter this. Once everything is complete, we give cash amount tendered by the customer and press save button. The invoice is saved. We press new and enter other products. For this, we change the quantity to 2, its quantity to 3, and its quantity to 6, and the cash given by the customer is 500, and we press save. Invoice is saved. We make another invoice and we also save the third invoice and we make a fourth one and we save this invoice also. So in this process we have saved 4 invoices. So far we have completed the complete retail cycle. We provided name and address to our shop. We created 2 departments, the grocery and bakery. We created 4 products. We created 2 suppliers. Then we received goods and created 2 good receive note, one from one supplier, one from other. Then we checked the inventory of purchased product. We made few sales. And now finally we will check few reports in Candela. First of all, we will check the sales report. For this, in reports, see the sale report and C11. This is one of the reports which we will use. In this report, we will again select all the departments and press generate report. So this report shows all the sales made. We sold 39 items of this much amount and we have made 4 invoices. We have made invoice 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this is the total. So we have verified the sales which we have made. Now we want to see the inventory. We already know in reports, we go to stock reports and D07 shop inventory report. We will select all departments, generate the report. It shows the balance inventory, which in this case is total 151 pieces, and this is the value of the inventory. Finally, we will check the report of supplier payable because we have purchased on credit. For this, there is a report, receivable and payable report. We just click generate report. The system shows total outstanding against the suppliers. So congratulations, you have gone through a complete retail business cycle in Candela and learned its working. We just have a recap of what we have done. We have provided name and address of the retail outlet, and this is the link which we followed: configuration and system configuration. In next step, we defined two departments in the system, and the link was configuration miscellaneous line item, because in Candela departments are called line items, and we created grocery and bakery line items. In step number 3, we created products through configuration, and then clicking products, we opened up the product definition screen. We selected grocery and gave tissue box and toothpaste as input. We selected bakery and defined bread and cake. And in next step, we created suppliers through configuration, miscellaneous and supplier. We created Sigma distributor and Shiraz bakers as two suppliers. In next step, we created GRN. Remember, before doing this, we logged out and again logged into the system and then created two GRNs. We received goods from Sigma distributor, 100 tissue boxes and 50 toothpastes. We created GRN from Shiraz bakers and entered 30 breads and 10 cakes. And we checked the purchased inventory through reports, stock reports, and D07 shop inventory report. We made few sales by shop activities and sale and return, which opened up sales screen. We made 4 invoices with different products. And finally, we checked the reports. We checked the sale reports, C sale report and C11, and had a view of all the reports. We then again checked the inventory reports, D stock reports, and D07 shop inventory reports. Finally, we checked the payable reports through reports, A account reports and A05 receivable and payable report. This completes this video. Thank you for your time and attention.